Introducing SM 4.0 of Master Climate Solutions. When coolers are difficult to reach, or customers want to set target values for humidity and temperature, it is a must to install a remote centralized control system.
Master SM 4.0 is the most advanced coolers controller on the market.
Master SM 4.0 controls up to 31 Master BCF coolers. SM 4.0 manages all main functions from a centralized control panel. On-off, self-wash, cooling, ventilation, fan speed selection, remote diagnostic, remote control of error. SM 4.0 assigns to each cooler temperature and humidity targets. The targets can be individual for each single cooler or assigned to an area of coolers with shared targets. SM 4.0 can speak via cloud with remote computer or smartphone. It allows remote diagnostic to the customer or to the installer. We asked Stefano, electronic engineer at Master, to explain us SM 4.0. Stefano, can you please show us how to use SM 4.0 using the touchscreen or your laptop? In fact, the touchscreen can be duplicated into a laptop thanks to the cloud. In this way, SM 4.0 can be operated locally on the touchscreen or in remote via internet with the computer, the tablet or a smartphone. Stefano will now use the touchscreen to demonstrate the functions.
The access is protected by a password. We access to the general control by clicking the Home button. After the installation, we confirm which coolers have been installed. For this confirmation, it is enough to touch the images of the coolers. The chosen coolers will appear in a white frame. The controller scans the installation to check the coolers and keeps active only the existing coolers. For programming a cooler, we touch the corresponding image. In this case, we enter into the page of cooler number 10. We can input the information that the cooler is independent, or that the cooler is linked to an area of coolers, example area number 2. In this case, the frame gets the same color of the chosen area. Green frame means area number 2. The color of the fan indicates the status of the cooler. It can be offline, standby, running, or fault. We enter again in the programming mode of cooler number 10. Top left, we see the number of the cooler. This box shows the error codes and allows telediagnostic. It is very useful to know if there is a failure from remote. This box shows if the cooler is associated to a specific area. The water sensor indicates the water level in the tank. We can choose a minimum target temperature and we can select a maximum target humidity. The target values can refer to a single cooler or to an area with several coolers. In this case, the targets are referred to the cooler leader of the area. Each cooler can be controlled individually. On-off, to cool, to ventilate, to exhaust and to self-wash. Or a timer can be used, allowing an easy weekly planning. This box shows the amperes of the cooler. Knowing the amperes helps to get a correct installation. The ampere allows to highlight non-correct functionings. The value should be around 2.5 amps. An higher value indicates a wrong installation. For example, no air channels, therefore no counter pressure. SM 4.0 limits temps to 6, protecting the cooler. It is easy to select the fan speed and, as a consequence, the airflow. The Home button takes us back to the general control. Here we have a permanent remote control of all the coolers installed. To exit, we press Logout.